Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can join the Spotify Duo plan. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section. Here, you're gonna find the search section. You can expand your library. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find all of your playlists. You're gonna find your liked songs, rap, all of your playlists. Here in the top right corner of your screen, you're gonna find the option to see what's new. You're gonna find your friend activity. Right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on your profile icon, right here, you're gonna find the option to go to your account settings. You can go to your profile, upgrade to premium, start a private session, go to settings, and lastly, log out from your Spotify account. Go ahead and click on upgrade to premium. Then once you do that, you're gonna be right here in this page. Right here, you're gonna find the option to get premium personal. And from here, you can see all of the subscriptions. Go ahead and click on see all subscriptions. Then right here, you're gonna find all of the premium subscriptions offers. So right here, you're gonna find the premium mini subscription. Here you're gonna find the premium personal subscription. Right here, you're gonna find get premium duo, get premium family, and lastly, premium for students. So right now, go ahead and click on get premium duo. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here in this page. Once you're here, go ahead and choose your payment method. And then once you do that, add your payment informations, then click on buy, and then you're gonna get the Spotify Premium Duo. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.